How to turn on or off guided access on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again and go to general section, and you can see here the guided access. And the guided access is off. To turn on the guided access, okay, go to this and you can see here the switch button on the right side. Okay, to turn on, you'll have to do is switch on this button. Okay, that's it. We have successfully turned on. If this turn on, guided access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. To start guided access, triple click the side button in the app you want to use. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off guided access and iPhone X.